Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es el 24 o el 25 de mayo. ¿Es lunes o martes? Ok. Las palabras interrogativas, interrogative words, remember that these are words like who, what, when, where, why, how, but we need to know them in Espanol. Okay, so we're practicing knowing those words in Espanol if someone asks us, and then being able to form questions. When forming questions with interrogative words, make sure that the verb comes before the subject, just like in English. Here's the example. The subject in rosa, el verbo en naranja. Ellos van a la fiesta. That's a statement. They're going to the party. Turn it into a yes or no question by swapping the subject and the verb. Van ellos a la fiesta? Are they going to the party? That's a yes or no question. Sí or no. Of course, you could say yo no sé if you do not know. Now, let's say we want to ask, when are they going to the party? ¿Cuándo van ellos a la fiesta? So knowing how to turn a statement into a question and then adding the interrogative word in front is how we form interrogative questions. Okay, I'm going to go through these like you would study flashcards. I think last class you might have made your own. Now I'm going to quiz you to see how well you know. So as you see this, como, I'm going to say it in Espanol twice, and you're going to try to beat me to the English side. How? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál? Which one? ¿Cuáles? ¿Cuáles? Notice my voice is rising. It's signifying es una pregunta. Which ones? ¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto? How much? ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos? How many? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Qué? Or you could say ¿qué? It's just like the letter K. What? ¿Quién? Think of a key that opens doors, and the letter N. That's how you pronounce it. ¿Quién? Who? Singular. ¿Quiénes? ¿Quiénes? Who? Plural. Okay, you can't play Kahoot.it with the class, but you can play it by clicking on this link here, and by giving yourself a challenge, you would just go through the Kahoot and it'll tell you the right or wrong answers. This is kind of like a quiz on what the question words mean. So I encourage you to do this. You can pause the slides or pause the video, go into the slides and find this. Okay, now we're going to work on translation. So this is all color-coded. If you've already made these, use those. If you have not, do not worry. Okay, this is in order. If you were to put sentences in order, it would be pink, orange, yellow, green, blue with the cards that we've made at school. Ella va a, and then the green is the verb, comer. Ella va a estudiar. When you want to turn it into a question, va ella a comer. But now we want to add in red the question word. So why are you going to eat at McDonald's? McDonald's would go here. So I'm going to let you take some time to try to figure this out. It should be, ¿por qué vas tú a comer en McDonald's? ¿Por qué vas tú a comer en McDonald's? When are you going to study? The question word is when. This is all asking your partner, your friend, your classmate. You can pause it and then I'll give you the answer. ¿Cuándo vas tú a estudiar? Where are you going to eat tacos? Tacos would go here. Find the pattern. Where? Where? ¿Dónde vas tú a comer tacos? ¿Dónde vas tú a comer tacos? How are you going? This is tricky in a way. You need less words. How is como? ¿Cómo vas tú? ¿Cómo vas tú? ¿Cómo vas? How are you going? Okay, so I want you to start thinking about formative number 3, which I will introduce next class. You do not have any work to do from home. There is no homework. I really need you to know how to form the interrogative questions using those question words, and I need you to know what those question words are. Okay? Muy bien. Adiós.